Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another unboxing. This time we're doing Stampin' Up, you know, one of my favorites. And I think this one's probably going to be a little bit boring because I got all of the same stuff, if I remember correctly. But I'll still show you, see if there's anything new in here that you might enjoy seeing. But I am preparing for my online bingo and my thank you notes and just new people who have joined my team. So I want to go ahead and get some of the stuff out. So let's go ahead. Yep. This is the one. I'm going to have another one come in shortly that has other stuff, but I'll show you real quick. We have the clear Stampin' Emboss powder and the white Stampin' embossing powder. I'm going to pull all of this out and get rid of this box so we have better lighting. Alright, so I've got a bunch of gems here. They're all the rhinestone clear crystal gems, which I totally love. And this will be in my welcome packets as well as other gifts. I'm not going to tell you in case, you know, I want you to be surprised when you receive those, if you receive those. All right, what else? Always the basics. We've got the basic black cardstock. We've got the Whisper white thick cardstock, and I always buy thick cardstock, even if I just need white. It's just easier to use the thick. I can use it as bases and everything like that. I also have some Stampin' Spritzers. Now, some of these are going to be prizes for my bingo. So if you did qualify for this month's bingo, I cannot wait to see you on the 18th. If you are on my team, you automatically get to be invited to my bingo, and I will be sending out the bingo cards this coming week. So check your mail for that. Okay, I've got this large 12 by 12 Whisper white cardstock, and this is because I want to start doing some nice crafting sampler boards, and I will show those to you. I picked up some more designer series paper. This one is called Follow Your Art, so I love that one. So grab some more of that. This one is the Shimmer Detailed Laser Cut Specialty Paper. And I'm going to have to show you this. This is beautiful, beautiful. Look how pretty. And it is so delicate. You see that? So we've got, oh, they even have paper in between. So there's 3 of those. And then this one is a shimmery ivory, and it looks like there's 3 of those as well. And let me show you. Look at this. How beautiful is that? And it's so delicate, but I just love it. I think it is so pretty, and I love that they give you so many, and you can cut them apart and use them however you'd like. You can also use them in those samplers that I was just telling you about, and I am going to have so much fun with this. So be on the lookout, because we're going to do some great crafting with this. All right, beauties, if you want to order anything that you've seen here, go to my page, Jean Piersanti. Here, let me just show you. Here we go. jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, and then use this code in the month of April so that I could host a party, and then also send out my thank you notes. And who knows, some of these little doodads, that was the word doodad, by the way. I was going to say doohickey, but those little doodads or doohickeys will be in some of the thank you notes each month. All right, that was a rough one to get through, but I hope you liked it. I hope you like seeing the unboxings, and thank you guys so much for being on my channel, being a beauty, and I appreciate you for sticking through all the different things that I do. I know some of you don't like unboxings. I know some of you don't like the cards, and I know some of you don't like the DIYs, but I also know that some of you like all of it. So I appreciate you more than you know. Thank you so much. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.